Hi there guys, I got this really awesome electric wheelchair to share with you today. I bought it for 3 reasons. It's got an awesome battery, long battery life. It's got a large weight bearing capacity. And also it has lights in the rear and the front of this thing, so that's why I got it. It's very cool. It's got an 18-inch seat here with a seat belt here that you can secure yourself in. The wheels are anti-puncture, so you don't have to worry about getting a flat wheel. Say you run over something, these wheels are anti-puncture. The battery is charged in 6 hours, can last you up to 35 miles and up to a week. So it's got a lithium ion charger that it came with. It's got a plug into the wall and then a 3-prong plug in to the handle here is where you plug it in at. In 6 hours you're fully charged, so that's super cool. I got it charged up. It's very lightweight, weighing in at 39 pounds. It's collapsible, so you can put it in your trunk or in the back of your car and take it with you wherever you need to go. These arm bars are retractable, so you can put them up or down. Say if you needed to get in there, it's a little bit easier to do it that way. It has a joystick for controlling your movement, and I just love that it has a 286 pound weight bearing capacity, so large people can fit on this as well as small people. It's got lights in the front and rear. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. Not only that, but it has a couple safety mechanisms that I really like. It comes equipped with a seat belt here, as well as an anti-tipping system. And that's in the back. I'll show you a little close-up of that. So I wanted to give you a nice close-up of the joystick here. We have the control panel. You can turn it on. It's got a nice full battery there. And we have a light switch. Turn on and off the light. We also have a horn. And then you can change the different speed levels all the way up to level 5. So you can get going fast, or you can control it to do a little bit slower movement. In the back here, we have the anti-tip wheels on both sides. And if you want to push this instead of operate it, you can push down these red latches here, and then you're able to push this from behind without using the motorized portion of this. As I was saying, this is very portable and you can collapse it down. It has a switch here, a little button that you push, and you can go ahead and fold this. And it's 39 pounds, so you can easily carry it. You can easily put this in your trunk, easy to take with you. So I want to show you what this electric wheelchair can do. Let's go ahead and get buckled up, and then we're going to go ahead and turn our on button on.
Welcome using Smart Wheelchair.
And it gives voice prompts. If you wanted to turn that off, you can hit this mute button here, but we'll leave those on for now. And let's go ahead, and we got to add the speed level 5, so let's see how fast this thing goes. At top speed will be at 4 miles per hour. So just going pretty fast. If at any time, you hear it gave a voice prompt when you're going in reverse. If any time you want to go ahead and change that speed level, say you're in a grocery store or somewhere tight, you can turn it down, your speed level. I'm at level 1 now. We're at a crawl, a little bit slower pace. So that's really cool. The joystick is really reactive. I like how well it controls it. And if you want to stop, you just kind of let go of that joystick at any time. Here we're going to turn on that light feature. I know you can't probably see them well, but I'm going to show you that a little bit later tonight. Awesome for keeping you visible and for you to see as well. Let's go ahead and pump up that speed a little bit. It's got that super strong weight bearing capacity, but this weighs in at 39 pounds, so that's super cool that it's lightweight. You want to go ahead and make sure it's off. And you can go ahead and take out the control here, stick it in this area so you can keep it secure. And then let's go ahead and fold it up. It's easily stored in a trunk or the back of your car. So if you're looking for a really portable, easy to use electric wheelchair with a strong weight bearing capacity, definitely check this one out. I just wanted to show you this has a power output on it, so you can go ahead and charge your devices while you're utilizing the electric wheelchair. Let's go ahead and plug in our phone. And while we're using it, we can be charging a device.